Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to be looking at these feeler gauges that I got from Amazon. These are from Silverline. They only cost me about £5, so they weren't expensive, but we're going to have a look at these on the caliper and make sure they're actually the size they claim they are. I'm having to do this video on my table saw today because my workbench is a tip after I've been trying to empty out the garage to make space for more workshop. Okay, let's have a look. So these are between 0.05 millimeters to 1 millimeter, and there's 13 of them. Oh, nice that each one's labelled clearly in different boldness of font. Interesting. And they're lovely and oily. So what I'm gonna do is make a little fan and cool myself off because it's hot here in the UK at the minute. I'm going to use the caliper, which is now also greasy and oily, to check the size of each of these to make sure they are what they claim they are. I mean, even my caliper's a bit out, or that's a bit out. I mean, it's hard to know. Both of these tools are made for measuring. Okay, so that's the 1 mil. I mean, you're just going to have to take what you can from this. This one's the one that's 0.3, so 0.32 according to the caliper. 0.4 next. Okay, that's pretty close. 0.25. Okay, very close. 0.5. We got 0.2. What order are these in? Well, 0.2 is quite... The 0.2, according to my caliper, is almost the same as 0.25. Okay. 0.6. It's pretty close. I've lost the rest. Okay. Okay, 0.9. That's just one according to my caliper. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. There we go. Don't know what I was measuring a minute ago. 0.005. I really don't think this one's going to be correct. What? I mean, I can... Have they labelled that incorrectly? Oh, there's two together. Ah. Oh yeah, this is just incredibly thin. Wow. Okay, I was surprised at how accurate that is. A little floppy thing, look at that. Okay, 0.8. Okay. And then if we go 0.15, that's fairly close. 0.10, fairly close again, and then 0.7. Okay, that's pretty good. You've got to remember that when, you know, okay, granted, these things are supposed to be precision tools. You know, if something's claiming that it's 0.15 millimeters, then you kind of better hope it is, given that this is a measuring tool. So my caliper is probably more inaccurate than these are. You know, you choose which one you trust more. Either way, I'll find a lot of use for these. If I want to move this up 0.9 millimeters, I can place that under there, clamp it down, do whatever, and I know that now is 0.9 millimeters higher than this side. For the price, I'm very happy with that. They'll come in use when I build my new table saw sled.